So this is euro dollar analysis for Friday 29th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we saw this off from 17.10. We did come in towards this 15.54. We didn't quite see the breakdown towards this 1.15. So we found support in around the 15.20s, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum break back above the 15.54, retested on two such occasions, from which we have seen the strong bullish buy side momentum come back into this market here, breaking above the 16.12. We did see prices head towards the 16.60s, areas where we pretty much encountered some difficulty. Did actually act as resistance in around the previously in around 16.60s. We have tested 16.60s, and we have seen that sell side momentum return to the market. So we'll look to see whether we can hold support in around the 16.12 with that a confluence of the 200 period moving average for a bullish bounce, possibly move back to test the 16.60s. If we do successfully break from 16.60, we are looking for price head towards at 17.10 and potentially 17.28 here to the upside. We don't anticipate prices moving much beyond the 17.28 here to the upside on the euro dollar. And if we were to see a break of 16.12, if we aren't able to find support in around 16.12 with the 200 period moving average, we did see a breakdown in prices. We'll be looking for a move down towards a 15.78, successful break from which we'll look for a move down towards a 15.54. And if there is sufficient and further volatility to the downside, we'll be looking for a move down towards this 1.15 here on the euro dollar. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices have been developing. So here on the euro dollar on the daily chart, we can see that we've tested that 400 period moving average twice now, and we do appear to have had a bullish bounce at that level. Now previously we did find support pretty close towards our 1.15 again, came pretty close towards our 1.15. On these occasions we did post a slightly higher low. We've seen so far a move beyond the 1.16.12, so we'll see whether we can have that follow through and a test of that 17.10 and area previously found resistance here on the daily chart, or whether we'll break down from where we are at present and see that follow through for a third test of that 400 period moving average, potential break. And if we do see that follow through to the downside beyond the 1.15, we'll be looking for price head down towards our 1.14.28 here on the euro dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.